Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I want to use the definition of derivatives to find the derivative of this function, where the fraction is where the radical is in the denominator. So for this, I can write this function in the form of x minus half. That is important. Now I want to construct f of x plus h, and that would become x plus h bar minus half, which I can also write as x bar minus half into 1 plus h divided by x bar minus half. And now I can use binomial expansion on this part and can write this as x minus half into 1 plus half h over x. This is 1 minus, right? Because the power is minus now. And then plus minus half into minus half minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into h divided by x whole square. So I write it. And then so on. I don't need for the terms. And from this, I can write this as x bar minus half, and then minus, I take h common from there and multiply this, so it becomes h times x bar minus half into minus 1 divided by 2x, this term. And then the rest terms, let me put this thing equal to k. Okay, I don't want to simplify that because that would vanish. And this will become h divided by x squared, and then so on. Okay, now I have this form, and if I put this value in the definition of derivative, that is f prime of x equals limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. If I put the values, this value for f, then I can write limit h tends to 0 as whole value x bar minus half minus h into x bar minus half into minus 1 over 2x plus k. Remember, I'm putting k equal to this whole fraction, so I'm not interested in that. H divided by x squared plus so on. And then I put f of minus f of x, which is this thing, so I write that minus x bar minus half, and then I divide the whole of it with this h, so it becomes h. Now this thing vanish with this thing. I can write one more, so this is I can write limit h tends to 0 minus h x bar minus half into minus 1 over 2x plus k divided by 2 factorial h divided by x squared, so on, and this whole divided with h. I can cancel this h with this h, and I can write this over here. This is not needed, so I can put things over here. So f prime of x equals limit h tends to 0. Now if you look, this term is independent of h, so I can separate that from the rest of these terms and can write this as minus x minus half divided by 2x. And then from this point onward, I can write plus this applies to the whole. This multiplied with these terms will become x power minus half into k divided by 2 factorial h divided by x squared, and so on. Remember, all the rest terms, every term inside this bracket carries h. So this will become, and now I can apply the limit to this term into this term. When I apply the limit to these terms, every term carries it, so they will go to 0, and I'm left with only this one thing. So x minus half divided by 2x, which I can write this as minus 1 over 2 into x, 1 minus 1 plus half, and it makes like this, 3 divided by 2. So the derivative of f of x equals 1 over square root x is this. This is the derivative. So this way we find that out. Thanks for watching.